Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today we're gonna have a very fun class on time. It is one of the most useful thing in our lives. So we're gonna talk about time today. Please stay with me until the end. I hope this video is helpful. So let's begin. So this is a clock. I made it with paper, so I call it a paper clock. This is called an analog clock because it's circle-shaped and there are 12 numbers in it. So here is the 12 numbers. Look, in an original clock there are 3 hands, minute hand and hour hand. So the minute hand is bigger and larger than an hour hand. The smaller one is an hour hand and the bigger one is a minute hand. So, we already know about hands right now. So let us talk about the numbers. From these numbers, when the minute hand is in 12, you'll think that 12 is 60. It's not very useful. But when it is in 1, we call it 5. When it's in 2, we call it 10. When it's 3, we call it 15. But there is another thing, but I'm gonna tell you later. So, 4 is called 20, 5 is 25, 6 is 30, and there is another name of it too. 7 is 35. 8 is 40. 9 is 45 and another special thing for it. 10 is 50. 11 is 55. So now I'm going to tell you the special things about it. The 3 is called as quarter past. The 3 is quarter past. So it's in 3 and the hour hand is in a specific number. Such as 2, we call it quarter past 2. Quarter past 2. Quarter past. The spelling is quarter past, but we say quarter. Quarter, the R is silent. Quarter past. Quarter past. Quarter past 2. And then quarter past 4, quarter past 5, quarter past 6, quarter past 7, quarter past 8, quarter past 9, quarter past 10, quarter past 11, and quarter past 12. So, if the minute hand is in 6, and the hour hand is between 2 numbers, like between 2 and 3, like in that time, it's called half past. But there is a rule for it. It is in the middle, so we say the before number, such as it is before, I'm writing it here, 2 and 3. So from these 2 numbers, the before number is 2. So we say half past 2. If it's between 4 and 5, 4 is the before number. So we call it half past 4. It's between 9 and 10. We call it half past 9. It's between 12 and 1. But right now, we choose the big number. We choose the small number until it's 12. So now, we're gonna learn about quarter 2. This is a very tricky one. Trust me. Believe me. So, this is called quarter 2. But we don't call it, the minute hand is in 9 and the hour hand is a little bit before 3. It was quarter past 2, half past 2. Now, is it quarter to 2, quarter to 2? No, that's quarter to 3. But do you know why? Because look, from this 1 to 6, this the special numbers ends with past. So from 1 to 6, the whole 6 numbers are called past. Like, we call it a 5. So if the minute hand is in here, so like in 1, and the hour hand is in a specific number, we call it 5 past the number. And then 5 past 5. 5 past 6. Easy, right? So, and then maybe it's in 4. And the hour hand is a very little bit after a specific number. We call it 20 past 5, 20 past 6, 20 past 7. So now, if it's not in 1 to 6, like it's 7 to 11, we call it 2. So this is quarter 2. So 2 means there is this time, like, let me teach you a trick. If the straight number from 8 is 4, so 4 is 20. So when we discuss about the word 2, when it's called 2, in that time we are gonna switch, like the 8 number is 40, but it will gonna be 20. Like we just gonna switch it, and we just gonna switch it here, switch it here, switch it here, switch it here. Like we're gonna just switch with the straight number. So if we switch from 8 to 4, it becomes 20. So if the 8 is 20, it will be 22 the hour, like 22. What's that hour? You're gonna say it like 20 to 12, 20 to 1, 20 to 2, 20 to 3, different numbers. And the o'clock is like what time is it? It's 6. Like it's 6 o'clock. If the hour hand is in 6 and the minute hand is in 12, we call it 6 o'clock, and then 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and this is 12 o'clock. Fine. And so actually we know about these main times and the numbers. So now if you have a little bit problem to understand them, I've wrote it here. O'clock, quarter past, half past, quarter to. So I hope the time class is clear to you. You're gonna know how to tell time after this class. So are you focused in this class, or were you focused? If you will definitely can know or tell the time. So this is all about today's simple class. Allah Hafiz.